All right. Hello, boys and girls. We want to practice today reviewing putting our decimal numbers on a place value chart so we can really see where they are. So let's start with using mixed numbers. So we're going to have a whole number and a fraction. So we're going to say 2 and 2/10. All right, so how do we put that on our number line? Well, our 2 is in the ones place. This is going to tell us what place this number is in. So this is a 10, so we know that it's tenths, so we're going to put 2/10 with our decimal there. Okay? Now, if we're going to do 10 5/100ths, so this is 10, so this 1 is in the tens place. We must have something here, so we're going to put our 0 as our placeholder decimal. Now, this 5 is in the hundredths place, so now we need to put a 0 placeholder there. So this would be 10 and 5/100ths. See, when we say this, we say the 5/100ths, we say the last, where the last number is, the place value of the last number. Now, we're going to do 100 and 15/100ths. So we have a 1 in the hundreds place. We don't have numbers in the other tens or the ones. Now, we have 15 in the hundreds. Can I put two numbers in one place value? No, I cannot. So I have to move my 1 to the tens place and my 15 in the hundreds place. Now, I don't say 1/10, 15/100ths, or 5/100ths. I say 15/100ths. Why? Because I use the place value of the last number when it's decimals. So I look at that and say 15/100ths. Now, when we get to the thousands place, it changes just a little bit, but when we do the tenths and the hundreds, it works perfectly like that. All right, so we're going to do 25 and 25/100ths. Go ahead and put that in your place value chart. So you've drawn a, go ahead and draw a place value chart if you need to. Or look at my place value chart and just write it as a decimal, whichever is easier. All right, so we have 25. So 2 goes in the tens, 5 goes in the ones. Then I have 25/100. So I could stick it like that, but that's not correct. I need to bring over my 2. And so I'm going to have 25 and 25/100ths. We're going to do 2 more, practice, and then we'll be done. Okay, so if you put this in the right place, it should look like this. Because again, it's 5/100, so 5 goes in the hundreds place, and I have to have a placeholder. Because if I don't have a number here, this is not a number. Every spot has to have a placeholder. Just like over here, every spot to the decimal has to have a placeholder. Right? Oh, that's not what I want to do. Sorry, I wrote it wrong. 6 and 5/10. So 6 and 5/10. So we'll do one more since I showed you that one. Okay, very good. Thank you guys.